A Rapture reminder. We all have bills to pay, and the temptation to break curfew to make a little extra atom is forgivable. Breaking the curfew is not. Stay on the level and out of trouble. A Rapture reminder. The bottom of the ocean is our home, but it can also be a dangerous place. Any leak is a bad leak. Report any unexplained water promptly to the Central Council. A Rapture reminder. Wanting an item from the surface is forgivable. Buying or smuggling one into Rapture is not. Stay on the level and out of trouble.
Get right quick. Try Plasma Quick. Plasma Quick. Your body, your way. The parasite has his eye on Rapture. Keep your eye on the parasite. Atlas is a friend of the parasite. Don't be a friend of Atlas. Rumor is the tool of the parasite. Fontaine is dead. Rapture lives. Approaching a little sister is a criminal offense. Do not approach the little sisters. The smuggler is the friend of the parasite. It is your duty to report the smuggler. Ignore the lies of Atlas and his parasites. Rapture is on the rise. Andrew Ryan reminds us, we all make choices, but in the end, our choices make us. The parasite hates three things: free markets, free will, and free men. Andrew Ryan asks you a simple question. Are you a man or a slave? We all move the great chain, and the great chain moves us all.
What is the greatest lie ever created? What is the most vicious obscenity ever perpetrated on mankind? Slavery, the Holocaust, dictatorship. No. It's the tool with which all that wickedness is built. Altruism. Whenever anyone wants others to do their work, they call upon their altruism. Never mind your own needs, they say. Think of the needs of whoever. Of the state, of the poor, of the army, of the king, of God. The list goes on and on. How many catastrophes were launched with the words, think of yourself? It's the king and country crowd who light the torch of destruction. It is this great inversion, this ancient lie, which has chained humanity to an endless cycle of guilt and failure. My journey to Rapture was my second exodus. In 1919, I fled a country that had been traded in despotism for insanity. The Marxist revolution simply traded one lie for another. Instead of one man, the Tsar, owning the work of all the people own the work of all of the people. And so, I came to America, where a man could own his own work, where a man could benefit from the brilliance of his own mind, the strength of his own muscles, the might of his own will. I had thought I had left the parasites of Moscow behind me. I had thought I had left the Marxist altruists to their collective farms and their 5-year plans. But as the German fools threw themselves on Hitler's sword for the good of the Reich, the Americans drank deeper and deeper of the Bolshevik poison, spoon-fed to them by Roosevelt and his New Dealers. And so, I asked myself, in what country was there a place for men like me? Men who refused to say yes to the parasites and the doubters. Men who believed that work was sacred and property rights inviolate. And then, one day, the happy answer came to me, my friends. There was no country for people like me. And that was the moment I decided to build one.